Today guys, I'm going to show you how to make waffles. Not just any kind of waffles, sweet potato waffles. If you can't have avocado on toast because you're gluten-free, then these sweet potato waffles are a perfect substitute. To make the waffles, you need a waffle iron. If you don't have or can't get your hands on a waffle iron, then you can make this recipe and just do it like fritters in a non-stick pan and it'll work perfectly.
So what's the first step?
Our first step is to grate our sweet potato. So this recipe is obviously packed with veg, packed with beautiful sweet potato. It's a great way to get, extra nutrients into your diet. So when you grate, sweet potato, or you could use pumpkin as well, you can see how much you get out of it, so it aerates it. That's perfect. So that's going to go straight into a bowl. It's about 2 cups worth of grated sweet potato. Into a bowl, we're going to add 1 egg. We're going to add a tablespoon of chia seeds, a tablespoon of protein powder. I'm using hemp protein. It's just going to increase that sort of protein value. It's going to be great for you. And then we're just going to whisk it and bind it together. I'll hit this with a little bit of salt. And then I'm going to fold it through our sweet potato. And that is our base. It's so simple. So straight into our sweet potato. So really great for you. A little bit of oil to make sure it doesn't stick. We're just going to push it out to the edges a little bit. Don't fill it all the way out, because when you press it down, it's going to push it to the edges. And down with our waffle iron. Flip it. Done. Hands away. These look absolutely gorgeous. They're golden, they're crusted, they're just absolutely delicious in every way. I'm gonna plate them up. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stack them with smashed avocado between the layers and a perfect fried egg on top, and that's breakfast sorted. Just having a moment here, just hold on a second. That's it. Sweet potato, waffles, avocado stacked with a fried egg on top. Oh my God, breakfast doesn't get any sexier than that. Make sure you subscribe, share us with your buddies, leave some comments below, and we're gonna see you next week. Yo!